And this is what it looks like with the GT wheels on. How about that? Now the stock tires, I mean, they look awesome and all, and the stock wheels look great, but these are 255 width tires. Just to give you an idea, I mean, it looks good, but I would prefer, 275 or maybe even a 295, because it looks good. But notice it still doesn't quite make it out to the edge, so you may have to do some spacers, on the wheels to let them come out just a tad more. But it looks totally sick compared to what the stock V6 17-inch wheels look like. So there you go. These are newer model GT wheels and tires on a 2016 Mustang V6 base model. Looks good. Check out other videos. We got more cool stuff about this car and other cars and motorcycles and stuff on our channel. Always adding something new, so check it out.